Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to use the IFS function in Excel. Don't forget to subscribe. The IFS function in Excel is a built-in function that allows you to perform multiple logical tests and return a value corresponding to the first true condition. It simplifies complex nested if statements and is very useful when categorizing or grading data. You have logical test and value if true. Suppose you want to assign letter grades to students based on their marks. If the value in A2 is greater than 80, return A. If greater than 70, return B, and if greater than 60, return C, and so on. You can also use the IFS function to classify different items. You have a list of items like fruits, vegetables, beverages in column A. You want to categorize them properly. Apple, fruit, spinach, green vegetable, coffee, beverage, or capsicum, vegetable. To avoid errors when none of the conditions match, you can add a final test of true to catch all other cases. If none of the earlier conditions are true, the final true test acts like an else and return misc. Now, if an unknown item like pepper appears instead of showing an error, Excel will classify it as misc. So IFS is used for multiple condition checks, making your formulas cleaner. Always add a true condition at the end if you want to avoid errors, and great for grading, categorizing, and logical classification tasks in Excel. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.